Residents of Orange District in St. James are on edge following the fatal shooting of 3 community members on Tuesday in an alleged confrontation with the police. Now, the killings have sparked a demonstration by the residents who say they want assurances that justice will be served. Kimberly Petty has the details.
The aftermath of a fiery protest by residents in Orange District, St. James on Thursday. A burnt refrigerator, a massive boulder, and placards helped to tell the tale of what happened earlier. The residents took to the streets to protest the fatal shooting of 30-year-old Alex Medley, Roger Duncan, and a man only identified as Max allegedly by the police. Reports are that the Area 1 fugitive apprehension team went in search of Medley. It's however alleged that they were fired at by 3 men. The police returned fire and a shootout ensued. The 3 men died during the gun battle and 3 firearms reportedly seized.
If police them come, knock on the man them door up there, put the man them, run out the man, woman, put the man them on their knee and kill the man them for nothing at all. Justice! And the house no shoot up. They see a shoot out and the house no shoot up and a one shot kill one of the man them. Headshot and a justice, then too wicked.
The girlfriend of one of the deceased men spoke to us off camera. She says they were at home when the police came banging on the grill.
In turn to me, I said, "Be tomorrow Christmas and I'm no one dead. I don't have no money to give them." We did it about half hour ago. So till they say, "Police, what me door when you come out on the veranda?" We say, "Since the police declare on themselves, then come up on the step and we see them." When I you were dead, Max turned to them and say, "Oh no, me know no man." Anyway, they say what me grill, I will what me grill.
She says after complying,
The 4 already on the veranda, you know. And they left me alone on the veranda with 2 officers. And carry 3 of them in our house. And by the time 3 of them go in our house, I just gunshot me start air fire. Be a gunshot. Anyway, they tell me something if you take cover. I'm bend down a ground. And when I bend down a ground, I suck on this when my boyfriend did. Because he never did when they shoot him. My boyfriend vomit 3 times. When he vomit 3 times, I'm a little down and I turn around and see him. And he said, "B, they shoot me." And then they finish him.
The grief-stricken woman says she's now left with unanswered questions as she insists the men did not die in a shootout.
A 3 bullet all alone in our house. One of them dead in our kitchen and 2 more. So if I shoot out, where is a bullet hole them in our house? Then go say, man, I hear a leader for Rosites. And if you got Rosites now, you cannot, nobody no know them and their Rosites. They find 3 gun, where 3 gun there?
Indicom is investigating. Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.